Alright, so I just bought a spare key for my car. It's a generic one. I didn't get it from the dealer. It was supposed to say Toyota on the back, but we'll see how it works anyway, since I got it. But it's here today, so I'm gonna go program it with these guys. New Autel tools. So I know I'm gonna need this XP400 because I was only able to read my key with this one, not the XP200, which was in there. Alright, so need this cable. I'll try to record the whole process so that way you can see it, because some people, since I bought this tool and been telling them about it, you know, people want proof that it works. Pull out this tool. I'm supposed to make sure it was updated last night. So, turn this on. I don't need any other connections from here. So I'm gonna close this box back up. Huh? Well,
if I'm not here, when the snakes get here, just catch up with them.
alright.
Shit. So get where my old ass knees off. You right.
Can't let see my password. I'm recording.
Yes, sir. Love you.
Later. Alright. Finish getting this set up. Okay. Excuse the camera for a minute because I don't have a lot of hands. And I don't have no professional stand or nothing like that. I had to get situated earlier, but I actually wasn't expecting the key to come in today. It was supposed to be on the 28th. Alright. Go ahead and turn this off. Oh, I am going to need another piece. Might as well let y'all look this way. I forgot I'm going to need the key emulator. I might need it. It's supposed to be for all keys lost type situation. I don't have an all keys lost, so I don't need it. I'm gonna sit that up there. Well, I shouldn't need it. I'm gonna grab it just in case. This will be my first key that I programmed with this tool. There we go. I'm talking about this guy here. Just in case I might need it. Oh, shit. Give me a minute. All right. Here. So this is the key emulator. Basically, if I had lost all of my keys, I would be able to use this to fool the computer on the car into thinking that this is the master key, because Toyota has a master key and a valet key, and only the master key can be used to program new keys. So you have to have the master key. So if my key, because this is a used car, if this key is not the master key, then I'm going to need this to copy, to imitate the master key, so that I'll be able to program my new key, or my spare key that I'm going to program. So let's get that set up here. Okay, I don't know what's the wrong thing. So we're going to go here. Of course, we're going to make you accept this thing. I already know what it is, and I don't have it on. I'm not going to turn the car on. So I'm going to go over to Toyota. Let's close the door. Manual selection. Let's say USA. And Camry Hybrid 0718. You have a smart key. That's all the information. Keyless system. So I guess I'm going to add smart key, because that's what I'm going to do. Do you want to use the simulator APB112, which is this? I'm going to say yes, because I'm not sure. Like I said, if that's with the master key. So it says failed to detect the status of the simulator key. Please make sure the device and the simulator key are connected correctly. Okay, so I guess when I hit, I'm dying in here. Sweat rag. I'm gonna turn up now, get over here. I'll fall out. So, okay, cool. I guess when I hit yes, I should have made sure everything was plugged up, right? There's the cable for it. We're gonna put this here, and then plug this up. All right, come on now. Work with me. There we go. All right, red light is on. Blue means it's good. All right, so now I'm gonna go back to add smart. It's gonna ask me, do I want to use this? I'm gonna hit yes. The current simulator key has not been registered yet. Please regenerate it. After generating the simulator key, it needs to be regenerated if the power is off. So I guess I have to generate it somehow. Like I said, it's my first time doing this, so oh, okay, over here, generate simulator key. So first, I remember I had to back up immobilizer data. This function is used to back up the EEPROM data from the smart box of the vehicle. The data can be used to generate the simulator key for emergency start a vehicle to perform the key matching function. So there we go. It's backing up immobilizer data. Let's take some time. So the process that I'm doing is what I understand is for all keys lost situation. So it's like gonna be trial and error basically right now. So waiting for it to back up the immobilizer data, and then after that, I'm gonna try to program it and make sure that both keys work. So what I'm gonna do is after I programmed the spare key. I'm going to take my original key and put that in the house, and then come in with the spare key and try to start the vehicle, and then come swap keys, put the spare back in the house, and then come out with my original key and start the vehicle. We'll start my car. Whew. I just got finished doing some transmission lines on my brother's Jeep Cherokee. They were leaking trans fluid. So like I said, I wasn't expecting them to come today. So once they came, I was like, oh, I'm going to go program me some spare keys. There's no files. I guess is where I would save it. Up here is where I would type in what I wanted to be. And I'm just going to put my car 07. And I'll just put Camry. And I'll do the HV for high volt. And that way I know. I'll hit save. Backup succeeded. Okay. Generate simulator key. Select the EEPROM data. If the mobilizer data is not backed up, please execute backup and mobilizer data function first. Okay. This is here. That's it. Retrieving critical data. It's telling me key type SLK1. Okay. It's already connected. Okay. Software name, key self-test, software version. Okay. Burning firmware. So now it's flashing where it was green at first. So really at this point, once this is finished, I should be able to use this to start my car. Let's doing that. Because these are smart keys, I don't know what's going on. It says the simulator key has been generated successfully. Simulator key can be used to turn the ignition on in case of emergency. To learn the key, note simulator key needs to be powered and it needs to be regenerated after power off. So I'm not disconnecting it from the scan tool, because that's how it's getting its power. Alright, so now I'm going to add smart key. We're at for first. I want to use that. Yes, each step must be completed within the specified time. Okay. Positions for learning include 5. Okay. Put the smart key close to the start button. I just heard it beep. Or put a smart key to be learned close to the smart button. Oh wait, I did the wrong one. I actually used the APB key. See how many. It said position to be learned is 5, so I'm thinking I should be able to learn 5 keys. Learning failed. Okay. Let's try this again. Add smart key. Yes. Specified time. Position for learning include 5. Establish vehicle communication. I'm gonna put this one here. Wait, the simulator key APP. Put smart key to be learned. Oh, okay. That's what happened. I didn't pay attention when it skipped. Learning succeeded. Okay. All right. So now that I did that, I'm not even going to touch with the other one. We're going to escape. Come out. I like to go all the way out before I disconnect. Yes, I want to exit. All right. Disconnect that. Down. I'm gonna disconnect the simulator key. So I would have to regenerate that again. And I'm gonna take my old key. Actually, I thought about I could do this. Okay. Looks like both of them work. So like I said, I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna go into the house. Throw this one down here. Just lock. Unlock. So this is the simulator key. I hit the lock. It locks. Hit unlock. Unlocks. And I left my house key in the house. Get in and started the car up.
It's ready to pair.
So, just so you can see. New key. Says ready.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Yeah. Those other lights are for my ABS module. So I gotta replace that. So that's gonna be another video later on down the line. Ooh, AC. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna turn this one off. Go get my other key, my original key. So I didn't have to do the extra steps I was talking about before. Door. See there, it's my original key. Lock. Unlock. Start it up.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
There we go. And I'm going to actually, so the XP400 I didn't need, so I'm going to use that though to read the key information from the new key and see what I get, because I took pictures of when I read the key information from my old key. I'm going to see what that looks like. Alright though, there you go. The only thing I have to do with my key is get it cut, get the blade cut. There's a, you push to pull the blade out here in case in case the battery died or whatever. So, but I'm not gonna be too worried about it because I have two keys now, so I'll just get it cut eventually. I'm actually in the process of working on getting a key cutter, but the key cutter I'm only able to afford right now is going to do the copies. So I'll be able to copy this key, the blade for this key fob. And that's it. I'll be uploading more videos later on down the line. Some computer programming with the Snap-on Pass-Through Pro 4 and just a lot of other stuff like that. And more locksmith type stuff, really. Deuces.